So if you're looking for a safe that you can go ahead and put maybe your handguns in or any valuables, you definitely might want to look at this. I did have the brand send this to me so I could go ahead and just try it out and show you all the features. First, what I'm going to do is show you everything that it comes with. We're going to go over the dimensions of this, and we're also going to open it up, and I'm going to show you some more things that's inside here, which is pretty cool. So it does come with, we've got some mounting hardware. You see we've got some screws, and on the back side of this, we actually have two mounting holes. If you want to mount that on something, that's not a problem whatsoever. And then we've also got a hole here on the back side. Now that's with this steel cable. What you can do with this steel cable is you're going to feed it through the hole. You're going to take this off. You're going to connect it back, put this cable back through this hole, and that way you can go ahead and secure this to, say, a wall or something like that, some furniture, so that way it can't be taken easily. Now the safe itself, it's pretty hefty. It weighs right around almost 9 pounds. Now this is actually 16 gauge steel. And on the size here, it's 10.5 inches by 12.5. And then the depth on it is a little over 3 inches. And there are actually 3 different ways you can open this up. One is, it comes with 2 keys right here. So we'll just go ahead and just fit it in here. You can pop it open that way, or you can come up with your own code. This is what it's preset from the factory. It pops open real quick. And when I did that, a green light up here popped up for a second. And we've also got an interior light here. And the third way we can do that is with a fingerprint. I'm going to do one that's not correct. You can see here it's red, but then this one is correct. And it pops open immediately. You can see there's not any delay. And on the inside here, you'll see there's actually 3 buttons inside: password, fingerprint, and time and voice. So you can go ahead and set up your time here. All this display also shows your battery level, and it does come with batteries. It comes with 4 AA batteries, and the compartments on the inside also. Also, the fingerprint reader, it does hold 100 different prints, so multiple people can get into this if you want to. And we've also got a Type-C input right here. So if the batteries ever went down, you didn't have your keys, and you couldn't get into it because you didn't have any power, you can go ahead and put maybe a power bank onto this and go ahead and power it up. That way you can go ahead and open it up. Now on the inside, it does have some cushion. You can see here it's fairly thick. And of course you can take this out. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. But on the sides, it also has a little bit of cushion too. And that's just to keep things from getting marred or scratched. Now, when you do press these buttons, it makes a little noise. But so it does have a silent mode. So if you want to, you could turn that on. So that way, if you were going to open this up for any reason around other people and you didn't want to bother them, you could actually turn that off and it's completely silent, no sound whatsoever. Overall, it's a really nice safe. It's super easy to use. I like that there are 3 different ways I can get into this. One thing you don't want to do is place your keys inside there and forget about them and then the battery's out. So always keep these in a safe place. Come up with a nice little code. Make sure you put several fingerprints in here so it always works for anybody that actually needs to get in here. And other than that, I mean, it's nice, thick, heavy duty. It's definitely worth putting your valuables and your firearms in here.